Today we're going to talk about finding percent of markup. And percent of markup is the same thing as percent of change. So for percent of change, you know you had to do change divided by the original and then multiply by 100. We're going to do the same thing here. It's just that the change is the markup. Okay, markup divided by original or store's cost, which is the original, and then times 100. It's the same strategy. It's just instead of calling it change, we're calling it the markup. Instead of calling it the original, we're calling it the store's cost. So let's see how this works. Okay, if we have this story problem, find the percent of markup of a sweater that cost a store $25 and has a selling price of $45. So we could think of it as the cost started at $25, the store raised it to $45. Okay, so how much did it change? It changed by $20. So that's the markup. And what was the store's original cost? $25. And so to calculate the percent of markup, we're going to do the markup divided by the cost and multiply that by 100. So we have 20 divided by 25 times 100. So this store is charging an 80% markup. Okay. So try that, pause the video and try that with this story problem. You're going to do it the same way. You're going to do markup divided by the store's cost times 100, and then restart the video to check your work. Okay, so we're finding the percent of markup on an item that costs the store $10 and has a selling price of $19. So we can think of it that it goes from $10 to $19. Okay, so our change is going to be $9. The original price is 10, and we're going to multiply that times 100. 9 divided by 10 times 100. That store is charging a 90% markup. So that's how you calculate the percent of markup.